Have you ever wanted to create dynamic interactive presentations? Today, I'm gonna show you step by step how to bring your PowerPoint slides to life using Morph Transition, Slide Zoom, and Exploded View. Let's dive in. Part 1. Merging Shapes. Start by drawing a rounded rectangle shape from the Insert tab. Then draw another rounded rectangle shape, but this time with rounded top corner, and place it below the first one. Then duplicate it and adjust the size of this one. Now duplicate this and place it here. Now select all three shapes and in Format Shape tab, choose Merge Shape and select Union to combine them. Then remove their outline. Now select the combined shapes and the original rectangle. And under Merge Shapes, choose Subtract. Duplicate this new shape, go to Format tab and choose Rotate and select Flip Vertical. Then position them like this. Then right-click and select Format Object, change both to white, and from Effect tab, enable the shadow effect. Adjust the shadow's opacities like this to create a soft shadow effect. Now, what to do with this blank space? Part 2. Adding product components. From Insert tab, select Picture and place the product image in the slide. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Add relevant details about each component. Repeat this step for each product component across different slides, like this. Now let's go to the next step. Part 3. Adding Slide Zoom. Press Enter to add a blank slide at the top. Then remove the default elements. From the Insert tab, click on Slide Zoom and select the slides you've created. Insert them, resize, and arrange them properly. Now select all of them and from Zoom tab, choose Align. Then select Distributed Horizontally, followed by Align Middle. Now I want to change the cover image of each slide by selecting Change Image from Zoom tab and replacing it with the product component image. Do this for each component. To ensure you understand, I will display the process once more. Select a new cover image for the slide and begin adjusting the size and placement of each component. Part 4. Initial product display and exploded view. Duplicate the slide you've just worked on. Now, select the first slide, go to the Zoom tab, and choose Selection Pan. Adjust the layers so the final product view is visible. Place the components over one another to complete the product view. Add text to provide further details to make the slide more informative. One more thing for each slide zoom cover that I forget to say. Select Return to Zoom from the Zoom tab to ensure it returns to this slide after being displayed. Part 5. Transition and Morph Setting. Finally, select all slides and apply the Morph Transition from Transition tab. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can turn any basic PowerPoint presentation into a stunning visual masterpiece. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tutorial. Next week, next week. Bye!